Hello, my name is Pearl Gutka, and we are meeting here again at CodeKaroYaaro, India's first online school of computer science. Today, we are going to learn about our next tutorial. We are going to learn how to make a game with Scratch. So, let's get started. So, we are going to first open Scratch, and let me share my screen. So, here, first, we need to go to the Google and we need to search for Scratch. The very first link, Scratch image in program share. And then we need to click on the create option here to create a new project. Today we are going to learn how to create a maze game. So maze game is something in which there is a player and he has to go through a way to get to the target. So let's design the way for the player. So you have to go to choose a backdrop option and click on the paint. So once you click on the paint, here you will get a chance to paint your own backdrop. So first of all, you have to create this color black and you have to click on the square option and you have to cover the entire screen with black color. Like this. Inside the black color, you need to make white parts. Okay, so we are going to change the color to white and we will click on the square again and there will be a path which will be created. You can design your own path. This way you need to design the path. Okay, suppose this is my path and player has to go through this path. And you have to create a round shape of target that is in a pink color. This is the target which the player needs to reach. Okay, and now we are going to choose a sprite and we are going to paint a player. So you can just change the color to red and you can make a player. You can make the eyes of the player to make it more creative and looks like it's a player. Okay, so this is my player, which I'm going to put it here. Okay, and my player needs to reach to the target. So first of all, for the player, I will code, it has to move left, right, up and down. So when green flag is clicked, we will put forever and we will put if then. If my right arrow key is pressed, so I have to put here right arrow, then I'll move the player to 10 steps. Okay, and the same thing I'm going to repeat again for the left arrow, but this time it will be -10 for the left arrow. And here I'm going to change to left arrow. Then I need to do the same thing for up arrow. Okay, so when I click on up arrow key, we will not put -10 or 10 steps, but we will put change X position of the player. So change Y position because up and down is Y, right? So you just put change Y and then same thing if you are putting it down arrow, then you just have to change Y by -10. That's it. So let me see if my player is working fine. Yes, my player works perfectly fine. Okay, so now when green flag is clicked, I need to check if it's touching the black color because that is not our way, right? If it touches the black color, then the player is out. So when green flag is clicked, we'll put forever, we'll put if then, we will put touching color, and we will take the black color from here. So if touching black color, then we will broadcast a message, game over. Broadcast, game over. And when it is touching the pink color, then we should broadcast you win. So when green flag is clicked, forever, if then for condition, touching color, that is pink. This time we need to check pink color. So we will just get the pink color from here. Then we will say, we will just broadcast the message, you win. Okay. New message, and you just write win. Okay, then we will make a game over sprite. So just paint a new sprite and just write the game over. Just change this color to anything like this and just write the game over. Okay, and paint another sprite for you win. Okay, so just paint another one. And just write there win. Okay, now we will first code for our game over sprite. So when green flag is clicked, we need to hide the sprite initially. It should not be shown. So go to the looks and there is hide option. And when I receive game over, it should show. And for win also, when green flag is clicked, it should hide. But when I receive win, it should show. When I receive and choose your win, it should show. So I think let's see, let's check our game. Okay, why it's not hiding? Oh, okay, because this is, and also when green flag is clicked, we will set the X and Y position of the player. So forever, no, we'll just use set X, Y, go to X, Y, and we will put a certain position. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we'll just try game over because we touched the, okay, we'll just make the player sprite to maybe 70, then it will be easier for us. Okay, so let's see. Oops, okay. We need to take care. Okay. Make the player sprite more smaller, 60. So it should be minus 166 minus 58. Okay. Oh, it touched the thing. Oops, again. Okay, let me try again. This seems easy, but it is hard to play. You have to be very careful. Yes, I win because it touched the pink target. Okay, so this is what the game is all about. So I hope my game is clear. Okay, you can create your own path. I have created a simple path, but you can make it more difficult by changing the path. Okay, so this is a fun game. This is a maze game. Okay, so I hope my game is clear. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. We'll meet in our next tutorial now.